Hello, my name is Sean French, and here's me just answering a few questions about the reflection. So, how have I evolved as a writer? First of all, I've evolved by developing my MLA and discovering the APA formatting, which I was not previously aware of, as well as learning how to properly search these databases to analyze them for relevant scholarly information. As a writer, I've had to learn to take these sources and put them into many different forms of writing, all of which will be very applicable in my future career, especially in regards to the public genre. So, what are some of my strengths and weaknesses that I've discovered as a writer over the previous summer session? I feel I'm able to build a good flow and naturally have a professional tone, and this helps me write strong, but sometimes ideas will get lost and I'll be a little unorganized if I'm unable to focus. So, I think I just need to brainstorm and plan a bit more before I write some of these things out. I also tend to have trouble following proper formatting. I think I confused MLA and APA in my head and any other format I've learned. Um, so it's hard to see if it's not laid out in front of me, but this semester has really cleared a lot of that up, and I intend to work more on that in the future in my professional career. And how's it impacted my view of the professional field? Well, first of all, it's allowed me to discover many professionals in the field and also broaden my horizons in terms of what is possible within recording and production. It has also brought to my attention the different skill levels and experiences within the music industry, because it's something that you're aware of even in the School of Music, but once you see the professionals out there who have some experience playing but more recording, and then vice versa, it really is interesting. And lastly, how did focusing on one single topic throughout the class impact your confidence? It definitely helped me discover all the aspects there are to one topic. That's been very narrowed down, but I was not aware of this at the beginning of the semester. Even when I thought my topic was already narrow, and I was shocked that we had to make it even smaller, it ended up benefiting my research more because even though it was frustrating to find relevant sources, and I struggled with that because I had one in there that was from 2012, which was one thing I had to change. Um, but it made it more valuable because I only had the most relevant information in my argument at the end of gathering all those resources. So I just wanted to thank you for watching and viewing my portfolio.